Today guys, we're gonna eat only IKEA food. Hi guys, my name is Kenzo. My name is Haran. Today guys, we're gonna eat IKEA. We're gonna eat some food, play hide and seek, I think. Maybe play tag or I don't know. Yeah, but it's raining. Oh no, it's raining. I don't care if it's raining. I'm fine. Hey guys, let's go. Kenneth, teleportation.
Kenzo dapat apa? Kenneth, you have to choose, Kenneth. Kenneth, that's your mission. Healthy food. Let's go. Are you ready?
Hey guys, let's go to eat. Whee! It's my car. So salad. There's only one, Nadia. There's enough. I want cake. Yang ini, yang chicken.
Bisa chip, order dulu.
Ini boleh.
Order dulu ya. Adek silakan mau yang mana, ikan atau ayam atau daging?
Ayam sama daging.
Ayam sama daging.
Pilih aja satu.
Ada kentang.
Kentang goreng ada.
Aku mau kentang, boleh?
Kentang goreng sudah dapat di sini.
Makasih.
Ada lagi, adanya mau apa? Sapi atau yang ikan?
Good choice.
Aku mau sapi.
Tapi daging ya.
Itu buat Kenneth, Kenzo udah banyak banget nanti. Kenneth, what do you want, Kenneth?
Mau kentang.
Kentang goreng aja. Dan
Aku boleh ambil daging.
boleh yang gitu dulu.
Boleh daging, boleh.
Boleh ya.
Iya, ya. Makasih ya, Mbak.
Terima kasih banget. Kena boleh deh. Mau daging yung kentang. Makasih Pak.
You like it?
There's meat. Good. Can I eat help? I should eat one too. Mommy, can I have one later?
Boleh.
Because I'm eating healthy food. I'll just try one. Chicken fried chicken, Mommy. You know what's my favorite part? The meatballs. Can you finish it for me? No. And I have some pie. Some pie. The apple pie. Oh, it is apple pie. Good.
Dulu Kenneth Kenzo suka banget sama es krimnya. Nanti kita makan es krimnya. Oke.
Mommy. You go to the play area.
After this, yes.
First thing, what's your favorite hobby?
Reading a book.
Okay. What's your favorite cake?
Strawberry shortcake.
Okay. What show do you like?
Dari Korea.
The cherries, guys. Come back here. I'm gonna take off the plastic first. I will help you defend it. Wait. You try the first bite, okay?
Your mission. What is the mission? Show me. What's that?
Power.
Hanger. Okay. Come on, Kenneth, come on. Oh, you got it. Kenzo, you got it. Here, the towel, Kenneth. Come on, hand towel. That's the big one.
This one?
No, that's too big. No, that's too big. Ah,
Wait, one more.
cookie. Next.
There you go.
Do you get it? Siapa yang duluan? Di sini udah ada nampan. Di sini ada gelas. Siapa yang duluan? Cepat. Kenneth, you are the winner. Actually, this is yours, Kenzo. Nih. winner.
Can you small buy the captain for Louis?
Oke, high five Kenneth.
Let's go. For trying.
Kenneth mau beli apapun boleh.
Oke.
Let's
Let's
go.
the GPS.
What do you want to buy?
Okay, we're gonna buy a bed for our cat. The cat's name is Louie, and we have a iguana. We have Sita and Thunder, and our fish is Larry. Which one is gonna be Louie's bed? Which one could be?
That's up to you, Kenneth. That's up to you.
Bobo, this.
Which one? Okay.
Oh, this is comfy for Louie. Louie like this. Let's just put it over here.
Oh, ini ada yang baru Kenzo. Kenneth, this one. That's for display. That's the new one.
Hey, do we have to make this? Do we have to make it?
Oh, Kenneth mau warna apa?
No, red. But yeah,
Kenneth choose. Kan Kenneth yang menang.
Yeah, it's too big, and I just choose like it's big. Guys, we got this cat bed for Louie. We need to make it first. We have to do these structures. Get here. Look at the structure. We have to build it. Mommy can help us to build it. Next time, I have to guys, I'm taking cups. Oh, some more. I want some more.
Kamarnya satu ada lagi.
This one, vanilla chocolate. Hit.
Kacang hit.
Vanilla chocolate, silakan.
Terima kasih.
Terima kasih,
Aku
Pak.
boleh pakai marshmallow juga ini.
Ini mau marshmallow juga.
Ya, maaf, maaf.
Oke.
Ini vanilla and mango. Aku suka vanilla coklat and vanilla ice cream. And mushrooms. That's really good. Free! Guys, let's go to play area. Why can we not?
Tingginya udah lebih.
Itu tinggi sudah lebih.
Iya, nggak boleh kalau tingginya udah lebih. Nanti kalau yang menang, Kenneth Kenzo boleh pilih makanan untuk dibawa pulang. Head or tail?
I can stand. I'll pick out.
Set. Yuk, Kenzo pilih makanan untuk bawa pulang.
Hey guys, I got hat.
Ada gyoza ya. That's all affordable.
Cannot. I'll choose everything. Donut, hot dogs, egg tarts. Donuts? Yeah. Egg tarts sama donut.
Untuk hotdognya dia mau yang bolognese atau yang polos?
Bolognese.
Yang larinya paling cepat boleh pilih makanan, oke? Sampai sini batasnya. Siapa yang duluan yang menang ya? Ayo, 1, 2, 3.
I'm tired. Be tired.
1, 2.
Let's eat the hot dog first. Cheers. It's good, guys. Guys, we're already full. Just promise to like,